Hey, happy Friday. I'm here to answer a question I received from my tax client earlier in the week. She has an S corporation. We are doing her year-end tax planning, and she bought a truck this year, and so she was asking how will it help me in my business if the title is still in my name. Okay, so this is a question that some of my viewers might have, but actually the title doesn't have to be under the business name for you to be able to deduct it in your taxes, because this is a truck that for her situation she is using it for personal use and for business use. So what happens in her scenario, that we are going to take it as per the percentage of time that she uses it in the business. So for instance, when we talked about it, she saw it was like maybe 75, 70, 80%. So we'll just go with 70%. So she has two options. She can either do section 179 of the IRS code, or she can also do depreciation. Depreciation is when you are recovering the full amount in a certain number of years. For example, if not the actual numbers for her situation, but if she bought the truck at 50,000 and then we end up using 80%, I think that's 40,000. Yeah, I hope I'm right. So if it's 40,000, because we did 50,000 times 80%, so she's only going to be able to recover 40,000 of it. So if you depreciate it, this 40,000, you're going to take a portion of it in 5 years. So 40,000 divided by 5, and whatever the answer is, that's what she's gonna be recovering in 5 years. So that's depreciation. But she also has another option, which is section 179. So we already know that the 80% is 40,000. So instead of recovering the full amount in 5 years, she can just expense it in 1 year. This will be ideal if her taxable income was very high. So to reduce it, we'll just recover it in 1 year. But if you do that, the drawback is after that 1 year, you can no longer depreciate it again. All right. Well, these are the things that we do cover in year-end planning. And I do advise business owners to, this is the time that you want to look at your numbers. You don't want to wait until 2026 when the deadline is almost there and then you're calling your tax accountant, please, am I late, can we do it? No, you need to be proactive. One thing that comes with having a business, you have to have a lot of discipline. I'm talking about this because I have my own business. You have to have a lot of discipline, and you need to be proactive. You cannot play a reactive game when you're running your own business. Okay, so I am Kate. I am with CK Tax and Bookkeeping. I answer questions such as this. I'll leave my contact details in the description of this video. Feel free to send me questions or just contact me, and we can walk over whatever your situation is, and that will give me content for my next video. So it will be a win-win. I win and you win. All right, have a good weekend. Bye.